Maybe I should create an intro for my show. Yeah, that'll be great. Yeah, that'll definitely be great. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. Okay, welcome to my Facebook Live. Like I said, I was gonna do. Like I did a YouTube Live. Thinking I was gonna never do a YouTube Live ever again. Cause I needed more and more and more and more subscribers. So, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta tell y'all. This is the day after Thanksgiving. Okay, I'm very happy to be here. Oh, yeah, the wind is blowing. It's a little cool out and stuff like that. Very thankful for my family and friends. Especially Dianca Stokes and my auntie Sharon. I'm very thankful. It meant a lot that she came by that morning when my mom passed. hmm I mean, especially my family, but my best friend was sleeping. I don't know if she woke up and saw the people out here, the police and all that. I kind of wonder. I wonder when she was aware that my mom passed away. I kind of wonder when did she find out that Sunday morning when she woke up, or that Monday, or that Tuesday or something like that. So yeah, so the office found out. Mhm. Yep. Mhm. So so anyway, y'all. Yesterday was my friend Chandrika's birthday, like I told y'all on YouTube and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm telling y'all for y'all Facebook bookers out there. But if you're already watching this on YouTube, you already know. Don't ask no questions, cause you already know. Yep. I want. I'm very thankful for the neighbors around here and stuff like that. Yep. Some people decorating. Oh my gosh. Hmm Yeah, it's trash over there, y'all. I don't think y'all want to see that, you know. hmm So I'm very thankful for my neighbors, family, and friends, and everybody. My auntie Sandra cooking us some gumbo turkey and and lasagna for Brock. My auntie Sandra did good. I want to thank her so much for the Thanksgiving dinner for us. And she cooked her own Thanksgiving dinner for tomorrow. I mean, I said not for tomorrow, for yesterday. Okay, so next year our holiday will be different. It's gonna definitely be different because by me by me saying this and saying that, but I ain't gonna mention this woman name. You know, at this agency slash company, whatever you want to call it. hmm and then this case manager name I ain't gonna mention either. So them people gonna remain nameless. Okay, them people gonna remain nameless. You know, based on the negativity and stuff like that. So Erica's birthday was the other day. Yep, I would love to get her some flowers. Show her some appreciation. She'll probably post it on Facebook saying, "Oh, my friend loves me." Yep. And I also told her to tell her mom that I wish her a happy Thanksgiving. I haven't met her mama yet. You know, I haven't met Erica's mom yet. And then this is just the second Thanksgiving without our best friend Erica. hmm I told y'all before I never had a chance to meet her. They were close friends. They were best friends. I think I was so close of meeting her. I mean, I was planning on meeting her, but it was too late. The pandemic started. Then she caught the COVID. Then passed away. I mean, I felt like I almost met her. This darn pandemic. hmm And then I'm very thankful for my friend Brittany. I don't know when Brittany gonna watch this, you know. Yep, I'm thankful for my auntie that was there for my mom through thick and thin, and especially my auntie that came to my birthday luncheon with my mom long time ago. I don't even remember what year it was. What year it was? I don't even remember what year it was. Yes, I still do remember that, you know. And then Reginald, I'm thankful for him. You know, we used to play video games together every Saturday. You know, his favorite Sonic game is Sonic 1. You know, the beginning of Sonic's career. You know, yeah, the beginning of Sonic's career. You know, played Street Fighter, Sonic 2, Mario 3, Mario 1, Mario 2, Mega Man, Donkey Kong, and stuff like that. Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, you know? Yep, so, like I said, I sure miss my cousin, though. But he'll be back on the show, okay? I guarantee y'all that. So, the last appearance he been on was my Mother's Day episode. No, not the Mother's Day episode. My bad. Was it the Mother's Day episode? Yeah, that probably was the Mother's Day. I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna figure it out. You know, I'm gonna do my recap on that. You know, cause you know, ooh, it's cold. Let's go inside. You know. All right. Ooh, it's cold. All right, doing the gameplay and stuff like that. You know, like the Dominoes 6 channel is not just about gaming. Gameplay is about vlogging, like I'm doing now. You know. Yep. I mean, so as far as my sister Shamika, she not really my sister though. You know, we just friends. You know. Cause I love her like a sister, you know. Just like her best friend Ronique. Her best friend Ronique. I love her like a sister too, and I also like her husband as a brother-in-law. You know. I don't have no brother-in-law. I don't have no sister-in-law. You know. Well, I still consider Brandy as a sister-in-law. You know. Even though she not married to my brother, thank God she not married to my brother, cause my oldest brother. Well, we ain't gonna we not gonna talk about the negativity, you know. we ain't gonna talk about the negativities at all, you know. So back in the days, we played our video games. I know I say it was cold, but I'm back outside. Yep. So yeah. So, I mean, I love this life, you know. All right. So, about to go back inside. About to do a little laundry again. Haven't finished laundry yet. So, thank y'all for watching this, and pretty soon I'm at my haircut and all this shaved off. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye bye.